Happy Easter, everyone. Let's make some sweet peeps that you can wear for this Easter YouTube collaboration.
Yeah!
You ever look at a marshmallow peep and think, you'd look better sparkly with gold accessories? Well, I did, so here we go.
Oh.
In case we haven't met yet, my name's Elizabeth. I like to share my generally sarcastic and somewhat quirky takes and resin adventures and techniques making jewelry for my website at calicounicorn.com. I made peep earrings recently using sugar, so when Sophia sent me these bunny bezels, I knew I had to give them the same sugary treatment. Okay, if you saw my last video, you already know I hate glitter.
Bye.
I meant every word, everything stands still, but I sacrificed my cleanliness, my dignity, and probably a few brain cells today for the greater good, or at least for cute earrings.
Yes!
I'd also like to formally apologize to my workspace, my floor, and my soul. Glitter is back,
What?
temporarily anyways. I blame the bunnies. Am I the only one that has this love-hate relationship with glitter? I mean, I do like how it sparkles. I just hate everything else about it. I hate the cleanup. I hate how it flies in the air. I hate how it farts bubbles into my resin. I hate all of those things.
Ouch!
But the 7-year-old in me loves everything about glitter. I love the way it sparkles, the way it catches your eye, and how so many glitters look so different when you get up close to them, right? So while I'll always continue to whine and warn you of all the ways glitter battles my wits, I'll also continue to run to the sparkle section in every craft store like it's ice cream on a hot summer's day. But maybe that's just me, I guess. Yeah, as you can see, I like to keep my glitter really thick, or I should say minimal resin. And the short answer for that is, I just like the way it looks better. Yeah, I do have to fuss around with it a little bit harder, but that's okay. And I am trying to keep all the resin off the wood bezels as I want to keep them naked. So that being said, the challenge here is to just keep the resin on the glittery bits and to stay off of the wood. I'm only using enough resin to give the sugar something to stick to. I'm using this rare fancy sugar I found at Walmart. So what are your thoughts on peeps? I know peeps can be pretty polarizing. People either love them or they hate them. And if they love them, that's also polarizing. Do you love them after they come out of the package, or do you love them after 2 weeks sitting on the shelf and getting all hard and crusty? Leave your thoughts below. I'm quite curious. At some point, I should probably start looking for jewelry parts that don't come with jump rings already welded onto them so that I don't have to spend my time snapping them off and filing. But then I wouldn't have anything to complain about besides glitter, right? Speaking of glitter, don't worry. I'm saving this fancy glitter to use in cookies later. I really like using the bonding resin that I'm using here. I use it to attach the bows, eyes, any other little accessories to earrings and other jewelry. I'd say it's thicker than even high viscosity resin, so it does a good job at staying put when you want something to stay where you need it to. I use a flashlight to start the curing process, and then I move it under the lamp to finish. Okay, adding eyes is the moment of truth, because there's a fine line between adorable Easter bunny and possessed marshmallow demon. Don't even get me started on how long I fuss with these eyeballs to make them look the same on each bunny. Basically, I just concluded these guys are cousins, not necessarily sisters, if you know what I mean. So they look sweet enough to me, but what do you think? Would you wear them or try to eat them? If you've had fun with me so far, do me a huge favor and like and subscribe if you haven't already.
Okay.
Check out the entire Easter collaboration playlist. The link is in the description.